Hi, this is a video of our GE Profile refrigerator, black side by side with water and ice maker outside, and right here, Profile. We haven't been using the ice maker, but that's because the ice cubes were getting color or taste was getting funny due to the freezer products, but everything's in great shape. In here, as you can see, the temperature is pretty good. Hovering around 30 degrees there. That's our setting. The drawers are all fine, nothing's broken. All the shelves are adjustable and working well. There are no dings on the outside. Ice maker in here. Adjustable shelves and here. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.